In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reveal all hidden objects using the object menu. If you've ever been working in a design or illustration project and noticed that shapes, icons, or elements seem to have disappeared, there's a good chance they're simply hidden. Hidden objects can accumulate during complex edits when you're isolating parts of a design or after importing files from other sources. The fastest way to bring everything back into view is built right into your software's top menu. With your document open, move your attention to the top menu bar. Find the menu labeled Object. This is where most commands related to items on your canvas live. From that menu, choose Show All. The moment you select Show All, the program will reveal every object that was previously hidden in your document. You might see artwork pop back into place, guides or helper shapes reappear, or small elements you forgot about becoming visible again. That's exactly what this command is designed to do. It tells the software to unhide everything at once, no matter when or why it was hidden. A few helpful notes about what you'll see. If a lot of items were hidden, your canvas may suddenly look busier. That's normal. Hidden objects can include anything from decorative details to reference elements you tucked away earlier. Also, there's a difference between hidden and locked or invisible by layer. Show All specifically targets hidden items, locked objects remain locked, and layers that were turned off in a Layers panel will still be off. The Show All command doesn't override those settings, it just restores visibility for objects that were intentionally hidden. If you're working on a large or complex file, revealing everything can momentarily make navigation feel heavy. That just means your document now has more on-screen content to render at once. It can help to pause and scan around to understand what came back. You'll often rediscover helper shapes, expanded paths, or temporary elements that were hidden during earlier edits. Finally, remember that Show All is non-destructive. If you decide you didn't want everything visible after all, you can undo the action. And if you keep a habit of hiding elements while you work, using Show All periodically is a reliable way to